Welcome to Adventures into the Unknown. In today's adventure, we will be exploring an old stone cabin that we discovered on a recent adventure out to Robber's Roost near Sedona, Arizona. And in fact, this stone cabin appears to be made out of the same sandstone that is prevalent all around Sedona, Arizona. So, with that being said, let the adventure begin. Water trough. Old water tank. The pump house there. Big old tank. Pipe going from there back to the little, probably another pump house back here. Look at that stone little house. Now those are the stones. Very similar to Robber's Roost. Look at this pump mechanism they got going here. Yeah, we almost fell. See what's up and inside. What y'all see in there? Alright, let's see if the door's open. The door is open. Got a pump. So this is basically a pump house. And we got a whole bunch of mud daubers up there. So we probably don't want to go in there. That is pretty cool how they cut these corner pieces. That's all one big stone. Alright, so I think that pretty much wraps it up for this adventure into the unknown. We appreciate you joining us on today's adventure, and if you'd like to see future adventures, you might want to go ahead and shoot that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this particular adventure, do us a favor, spike a like, and until next time, seek and enjoy.